yet was still
Damn it.
trying to save this motorcycle. And Ryan's stuck, I think.
This car does not get stuck very easily. This car likes to climb over everything as well.
Ah, blah blah. God damn it, Ryan, what are you doing?
It just doesn't want to turn there, man. Fine.
What car is this?
This is the Jester.
I think I'm gonna call this video the stuck motorcycle. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, come on.
Yeah, we might be stuck in a hard place right here, though.
Well, you should try to get to the road.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Up. Come on, Ryan, come on. Don't you want to grow up to be just like me?
Nobody wants to grow up to be just like you.
Oh, fine then.
Well, that's true.
Fuck you too.
Everybody wants to grow up to be like Van Haas, Gas Mexican, Mini Lad, Sean Anders. Oh, all the nerds anyways. If you
Come on,
you consider yourself not a nerd, well, you better get off the internet.
Come on, Ryan. You're so close.
You just gotta make it over that little lip that's there. And I know this car can do it.
There we go.
Out of all the cars that can climb mountains on this game, this is the best. I guarantee you that.
I'm the
Your bike
I'm
is
the
over
ward
there.
pen.
Now, how to approach this time?
Oh, not that way. My baby's gonna go flying down the mountain.
It's right down there, right?
Yeah. Oh no, no, please. Okay, Ryan, halt. No, please!
Well, I wasn't trying to do that, but okay. Now just don't fall.
Look at this. This is my bike. I'm gonna fall.
That's your luck.
Oh shit!
Yeah, but at least you fell with your motorcycle this time.
Oh, I got it. We're good.
Well, at least with it being down there, it's easier to get to now.
Down's easier than up. Let's try not to be a fuck up this time, Michael.
Dun, 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 dun. And down I go.
You coming all the way up?
I will eventually. Just try not to get your bike stuck in the meantime. So we gotta go on to another execute freaking mission again. For like the 8th time since we started playing 2 days ago.
We need a technical difficulty screen just for motorcycles being stuck.
Yeah, right. And they just, from that, just cut to us.
Cut to us
Finally
randomly by
getting to it.
fucking just all fail attempts at getting something unstuck.
Just play it in fast motion.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
That'd be almost perfect.
Then just have the Nyan cat running across the screen. So which way are we jumping off, Ryan?
I don't care.
Get a car here, pick.
No, you pick. And I can just follow after you and make sure, you know, your bike doesn't get too stuck.
Hey! You ready?
Yep.
Back, Philip, out, up, here we go.
I just flew past your bike. I'm upside down, otherwise I'd stop.
You're on top of my bike.
I noticed. Well, I stopped. And I stopped your bike. I'll see you back at the top.
Were you though?
Yeah.
Your car is slow at climbing mountains.
What?
Your car is slow at climbing mountains.
Not really. But you gotta pick the right route. At least my car goes up the mountain.
Mine does go up the mountain.
Yeah, the cheater's way. I go up the side of the mountain. Look, I'm here.
Oh shit! Well,
And you're gone. See you later!
oh, and I'm dead.
Of course.
I had to open my mouth. God damn it! Why?
Oh, that's ain't good.
I'm farther away from my bike than what I was.
Are you surprised?
After we
Trying
go
to
to
set
down it one
myself
last
up so
time,
you
we
can
can.
just watch me fly off, but
Oh, we can do that. Let's do that. How do you open up your camera phone?
Up and then the camera icon.
Which one's the camera? Oh, oh, shut up. Alright, go whenever you're ready. Wait, which way are you going off of?
I'll be flying like almost straight past you.
Alright. Oh, you're going off the little wooden branch thing?
You mean the ski lift?
Yes.
Yes. I am going. I hit a tree and stopped dead.
I wonder why I didn't fucking see you.
Hey, look, I fed your bike. Here, I'll come pick you up.
Where you at?
Trying not to fly over your face.
I'll take a video while we're flying down the mountain.
We can do that.
Hi Ryan!
You can
Say
do
hi.
it in first person if you wanted to.
I'm doing it with the phone. The filter.
Why a filter? They shouldn't have gone this way. We are going down.
Oh jeez.
I'm trying to get her to stop, but it's not working. We're slowly sliding forward.
This is why we don't trust you to drive anymore.
Trust me to drive. Hello.
Oh, there we go.
Problem is, I prefer to turn around. So let's do this.
What are you doing? You knocked me out of my camera. Fuck.
It's not my fault. You're
Yeah,
the one
one
trying to do it with your phone. Were you about to ask what icon it was again?
No.
I was gonna say. I mean, that would have been hilarious.
This is what I think of you, Ryan.
Yeah, I can't even see it, so.
I flicked you off.
Oh, I know. Doesn't mean I can see it. You know how many people have probably seen this before?
Probably a lot, but oh well. I do what I want. Holy shit. Here we go. Oh, well. That
Stuck
was,
the line.
that was lame. On my bike.
Yep. You want it? Alright, see you later. Fucker.
What?
Oh wow, my car is all the way over on that side too. Wow, Mike.
Oh, well. There's your car, Ryan. And I'm going with it, apparently. So I just blow your car up. Did I?
No.
Oh, well, there goes my bike.
Up. I was hoping that wouldn't happen, but oh well, it's to be expected considering.
I did nothing. You want to ride up to your car?
I mean, if you think you can get to me.
Just need to. Hey! Why'd you do this, Ryan? You messed up. You messed me up. Shit, I missed. Oh, well, here I go. Into a tree.
You deserved it.
How did I deserve it?
I wonder. Yeah, fuck.
What did I do to you, Ryan?
I wonder.
What have I ever done to you?
I wonder. I just watched you at this sniper scope just stumble and die.
Fucker. This is why we can't have anything nice.
Yeah, Mike. I wonder why.
Ow! But why? Why,
You
Ryan?
started it. Just remember this.
What?
You started it. Just remember this.
I didn't say shit!
You lied.
What did I do?
Bike. Did your bike stop at that tree?
Yeah.
Oh god.
I told you I went fucking flying down the mountain directly face first into it.
Yeah, you deserve it.
How?
Gee, I wonder.
What did I ever do?
Everything.
Say, is my bike really stuck again?
Dude, wow, that would suck because I don't have my car to get you out either.
Did I blow your car up?
No, you just made it so it's stuck halfway up the hill. And I can't exactly get to it.
Mark it for me?
Just go straight up that way. Oh, don't tell me it's up there.
What?
Yeah, there's no way in hell I would have made it to it.
Where is it?
Just up here.
Why?
You're lucky I'm nice. See you later.
Why are you so mean to me, Ryan?
Or not see you later, I kinda got stuck sideways in between the freaking rocks. I can tell my car is fucked up. I don't want to go up the hill. which is actually very sad for this car.
Do you want to ride up?
No, I'll make it eventually.
Don't flip now, Ryan.
I'll be fine even if I do.
Yeah, I'm right behind you. You're falling to me.
Wouldn't that be the point?
Fine then. Come on, come on. Oh. No, 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 no. Well,
You're lying down.
maybe.
Joe,
Holy shit! Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Can you come pick me up, Ryan?
Do I have to?
Oh, well, my controller died, I think.
Rip controller.
Rip. Why did my person just do a somersault down the hill?
Yeah.
Well, we can do that heist now if you want to.
Nice, we gotta go all the way back into town. So.
We can do it. Ryan, I'm right here. Oh no!
Well, that's not what I was hoping would happen, but it works. No, you don't need my help, though.
Ah! Why?
I wasn't expecting you to jump on my car! You're a brilliant person.
Ow!
Absolutely brilliant. Meanwhile, I'll see you.
Ow, 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 I'm rolling down the hill.
Okay, I guess I won't see you at the bottom.
No, I'm fine, I'm fine.
Can you get back to your bike, though?
Yes. Oh, damn it.
Well, hello.
What?
Your dead body just rolled into my screen as I was going.
There goes my bike. Hey, Ryan.
Yeah, I might as well come pick you up now.
Oh, I did not mean to do that. Here you go, Ryan. Hey! Here, take the car. Take the car. Why? Why would you want to kill me, Ryan?
I wonder. Fuck.
Apparently my personal vehicle was destroyed.
Somehow that doesn't surprise me.
Hit the train!
Why do so many trees have bush? It has physics now. It's fucking annoying.
More realistic, Ryan.
I don't care.